is about the American Indians out near Albuquerque, New Mexico. And there was some other programs on just prior that I watched down Mims. Yeah, this one's near Albuquerque. But that one, the other one in Alabama, kind of South Alabama, was Mims. It was a park down there, national park. But it was about the Indians. And I guess what I want to say, I've tried to upload some videos and they didn't go, so I'll just try this one and try to make it short because it basically says what I wanted to say. For a long, long time, since I can remember, I wondered about the American Indians. And till today, look at them and see the life they're living as opposed to the rest of this country. Well, you might not use me as an example because they kidnapped me and brought me over here in 41. It's because of my name that they've been allowed to get away with what they've done to me, and I have no civil rights. But I wanted to focus on the American Indians. It's so appalling to hear this government talk about, and all the people seem gung-ho for immigration reform. That all these people that came across illegally, won't get into why they came across illegally. I could. Part of it's because the Americans went down and they killed and slaughtered in Guatemala and Honduras, which used to be British colony there. So I really wanted to focus on why has this been allowed to happen. And this is the Chippewa Indians, and you can go on, and their life as opposed to the rest of this country. Well, you can look at it for yourself if you can. What have you done? You shoved them out in the corner and allowed this to happen to them while you're talking about giving all these citizenship because someone came across illegally and they had a baby. So now then, and you didn't enforce the law. And by the way, the Border Patrols did try. So why was this allowed to happen, the breaking of the law, and all these mass of people in here now, and suddenly your good hearts, which you've never shown me, America. But look at the Indians here. And except for the few Indians that have managed to get casinos, and thank goodness they have and live a decent life, the Indians as a whole, it's deplorable what's been done to them. So while you're handing out all these goodies to the illegal immigrants and saying how terrible it would be to send them back, well, it should never been allowed to happen in the first place, the whole situation. Now I wanted to focus on African Americans. If you want to make a contrast in people and their culture, why don't you focus on the Indians and ask where are any civil rights they have, or more likely they have not. And that's, maybe I didn't say this well. I said more in the other videos that didn't go up. But talk about civil rights. Maybe the Indians would like to know where theirs went.